The perfect way to use up overly ripe bananas. You're going to love this fluffy banana bread with coconut and chocolate chips. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter and 170 grams of cane sugar to your stand mixer. Mix on low until combined. Then add in 2 very ripe bananas in chunks and mix to combined. Then add in 2 large eggs, half a cup of coconut milk, 191 grams of all-purpose flour, 57 grams of unsweetened fine shredded coconut, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix on low until combined into a batter. And then last, add in 170 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and continue mixing until combined. Transfer the batter to a 1-pound loaf pan. I'm using my Sur La Table loaf pan, so I don't line this with parchment paper, but you can line with parchment paper if you're using a different loaf pan for easy removal. I love this loaf pan as it's non-toxic and it bakes up perfectly without the need for parchment paper. I'll link it in the description for you guys. Transfer the batter and spread it evenly and then sprinkle a little more coconut on top. For that perfect split down the middle, all you need to do is take a butter knife and draw a line down the banana bread before baking. That's it. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The hardest part will be letting this cool. Then it's ready to cut and enjoy. If you want more organic recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.